Hey DIYers, a couple of jobs ago I did across a bath and I showed you how you put in your supports. Well, you do the same thing when you're going across a vanity. Not very often vanities are left in these days, but this one is. It's not getting replaced. So you just put in your pieces like that and then you put in that cut tomorrow morning. That's the easiest way. You build up straight tiles. When that's dry in the morning, easy peasy. Instead of trying to cut your small bits and then build up off it, no. It's worse when you're doing across a bath, because a bath is sloped and that little block will slide every time if it's got weight on it. Here is it's dead flat, but you still don't do it. Then it's just an easy peasy of building up. You put your piece in tomorrow. Put that over there. So that's a cut one. You try and have everything set up close by. So you always try to eliminate your walking. And whooshka. It's been a good day. I started this morning, so I'll get up there. I might even start a few around my top. I'll go for another hour and a half, so we'll see, and then I'll do the floor in the morning. Okay, DIYs, I'll see you soon. Stay tuned, lean on in. There's a lot to learn. See ya, bye.